My name is hip hop. My name is hip hop. My name is hip hop, and I feel you.
In a place of immense poverty and oppression, emerged this new urban form of expression. In a landscape of gangs, drugs, and depression, this voice became a light and a blessing. 73, South Bronx was its dressing. It clothed the culture's formation. Black and brown was the predominant original persuasion for this gritty inner city communication. It started rotating with DJ Kool Herc, the Jamaican. Spinning breaks at the park, it was history in the making. B-boys at the floors with titles for the taking. Spit the art for the heart and not for the bacon. The trains in the buildings that were vacant, with a canvas for the graphers that kept the cry line shaking. Authentic, no faking.
My name is hip hop. I'm the lyric maker, the beat breaker, the freakazoid dance originator, graffiti simulator. My name is hip hop. Is hip hop.
It didn't take long for people to start to bite. You know your history, the classic example, this rapper's delight. The genre's first national record, half the lyrics the rappers didn't write. But platinum sales propelled the culture worldwide overnight. Now the spotlight was in hip-hop's corner, but soon the DJ, the graph artist, the breaker were gonna. Cause they could only market the MC in a radio format. Soon the other elements got stepped on like a doormat. 1993, let's explore that. Run DMC landed a deal with a label. MTV launched, now America can catch MCs on cable. Eric B, Rock, MPE, BDP showed that hip-hop was stable and not a passing trend. For many it was true love and not a passing friend. The industry wanted the envelope to push and bend. Soon the original identity was about to end.
My name is hip hop, and my heart is broken. The elements that truly make up who I am have been forced to flee to underground venues buried beneath commercialism, promoted by pimps and players who never really paid dues. My name is hip hop, and I feel you.
The 90s ushered in the gangster rap era. This soon became a major rap era, cause now cats make them more bread than Panera. The rhymes even my blood stains and marinara. Bulging egos, bulging stress, and this bulging beat between the east and the west, blown up by the press to icon murders. Who did it? That's your guess. Hip-hop's in distress, time to decompress. Maybe we should talk about negativity less. This was a vibe for maybe a year at best, but now rappers regularly rock bulletproof vests. It's about your car, your crib, your ice. See, the creativity is froze like ice. It cracked like maybe twice. It's obvious the content is stuck in a vice, but they making money, who needs advice? They fell for the material enticed, but it's advice to think more than twice. Cause our shorties in our community's future ain't nice. Our music has power, but what's its purpose? Just to get rich and die is so worthless. Think about it, what does our culture worship? Temporary things, but eternity that search this. Dig deep, you'll find the creators love this so perfect. Manifested in Christ, he worked it. He offers forgiveness and hope, that's why I proudly spit him in verses.